Hi there guys, in this video I'm going to show you the most important tips and tricks for your Realme 12X 5G. By the way, do hit the like button or dislike button, it helps the channel a lot. Now with that said, first I'll start off with some important battery related settings. First of all, we can check out your battery health directly from the settings. You don't need to install any third-party application, you get it by default in your settings page. Next we have a feature called smart charging. Once you enable this feature, your phone will analyze how you're charging your phone, and based on that it'll change the charging speed to have a better battery life. You can also enable your phone to limit charging up to 80% so that whenever your battery reaches 80%, charging will stop. This is another useful feature that can keep your battery more healthy. Next we have a new gesture called icon pull-down gesture. Now once you enable this feature, on your home screen you can swipe diagonally on the left side or right side to quickly pull down all the icons near your finger. It's just a quick and easy way to reach out applications just with a single finger. Next we have Swipedown gesture on the home screen. By default it is set to search or global search. Once you do a swipe down gesture, you can search for application names or even contacts directly from your home screen. I personally suggest you to change it to notification drawer. Once you do that, you can do a swipe down gesture to pull down the notification bar, which I think is much more helpful. Next we got some new live wallpapers. Some are just like videos on loop, some wallpapers react to your touch, and some change depending on the time. For these wallpapers, you can just touch and hold the wallpaper for a quick preview. Right now we can only use the install live wallpapers. In future, we might be able to use a regular video as a live wallpaper. Next we have dark mode. You can enable it from the notification toggles or directly from the display settings. And once you enable the dark mode, all the system UI elements change to dark mode. Even some of the stock applications like phone dialer messaging application also change to dark mode, and even some Google applications like Play Store or YouTube switch to the dark mode automatically. Dark mode helps your phone look much more cooler, helps you save some battery, and puts less strain on your eyes at night. Next we have always on display. It's a feature that puts a clock on your lock screen all the time. Now here's a quick preview. From settings you can also change the clock styles, and you can also schedule it to automatically turn on and turn off at a specific time to save a little bit of battery. Next, I'm going to show you different ways to take a screenshot on this phone. So first we have the normal way where we can use the buttons. Just press the volume down and power button both at the same time to take a screenshot. Next we have 3-finger screenshot gesture. Now this feature is enabled by default. To take a screenshot, you can just swipe down using 3 fingers and your phone will take a screenshot. It's just like pressing the buttons, but instead of pressing the buttons, you just need to swipe down using 3 fingers and your phone will take a screenshot. Personally, this is my favorite way to take a screenshot. Next, I'm going to show you how to take a long screenshot. For that, first take a regular screenshot and then click on the preview. Now select scroll. Now you need to scroll the page. And once you're done, you'll get a long screenshot. Next, I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your phone. For that, first go to the toggles. And now we can start video recording just by using this toggle. Just click it and screen recording should start in 3 seconds. If your phone asks for any permissions, just grant them all. Next, I'm going to show you some camera gestures. First we have touch. Once you enable this feature, we can take a picture by just touching the preview screen. It works for both the rear camera and even for selfies. Next we have the palm gesture, which only works for the front camera, and it's great for taking selfies. Just enable it and then show your palm to the front camera and your phone will take a picture in just 2 seconds. Next, I'm going to show you how to trigger Google Assistant with the power button. Just enable this toggle and now press and hold the power button to trigger Google Assistant. Next we have some important screen off gestures. We have things like double tap to wake, we can also draw a note to open the camera application. Next we can draw a V to turn on the flash. We also have more like music controls and custom shortcuts, but most of the time I just draw V to turn on the flash, and to turn it off we can press the power button. Next, I'm going to show you how you can change your default apps. Whether you want to change your default launcher, default browser or anything, for that we need to first go to settings. Once you're in settings, select apps. Then select default apps. Now from this page, you can change your default launcher, default SMS application, browser and so on. I would definitely recommend you to change your default browser to Google Chrome. Next, I'm going to show you how to display the battery percentage on the status bar. For that, go to settings, then select notification and status bar, and then enable this toggle. Once you do that, we can see the battery percentage on the status bar. In the same way, if you want to see the network usage on the status bar, go to settings, then select notification and status bar. Enable this toggle. Next, I'm going to show you how to display the RAM information on the recent apps page. For that, go to settings, then select additional settings, and now enable this toggle. Once you do that, we can see the RAM or memory information in the recent apps page.
Next, we have notification history. Now this is a pretty cool feature that can record all the notifications that you get. So even if you accidentally clear all the notifications from the notification area, you can go to the notification history section to see what all notifications you got and at which particular time. Next, we have this toggle to enable the OTG. Now OTG pen drives are not automatically detected by default. It's a security measure. So if you want to use an OTG pen drive, just come here, enable it, and then you can use an OTG pen drive. Next, we have recently deleted. In your albums application or gallery application, whenever you delete anything, it won't get deleted immediately. All those deleted files will be put in recently deleted folder. You can access it from here. If you want, you can once again delete them. You can also choose to disable this feature from settings. Next, we have app battery management. Now if you want to completely take control of your phone, stop applications from auto launching or stop applications from running in the background to save data or to save battery, you can do all that from here. So guys, these are all the most important tips and tricks for your OnePlus Nord 4. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video. With that said, if you like this video, hit the like button or dislike button. It really helps the channel. And with that said, see you next time.